We are taking a look at my Hunter Dempsey ceiling fan, 4 blades. The one I have is a 44-inch, but there are other sizes that you can get in this same design. This is a low mount feature with the brushed nickel, and then the blades are reversible. So I have like the gray tone that you can see right now. On the other side would be more of like a light wood color, and it's also very pretty. I actually really had a hard time deciding which one I wanted. So lots of good options and looks really nice in the space. The remote included will control the 3 different fan speeds and the light. The light also has a dimming option on it, which you are seeing here. And then highlighting the 3 different speeds. And even on the high, you can see that is not shaking or rocking at all. I absolutely love how sturdy this piece is. Also take a listen to how quiet this is.